Hello everyone. When we talk about Microsoft, we usually think about Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. But Microsoft is more, and today we're going to tell you more about Microsoft.
Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk about two Microsoft applications with you guys. The first one is Microsoft Power Automate, which is a tool that automates workflows between your apps. So picture this, imagine you receive an invoice email in your Outlook and you're tired of doing the same repetitive task every day, saving the attachment and then assigning it to a folder. So with Power Automate, it detects the attachment and saves it in a OneDrive folder that you prefer. So with Power Automate, it saves both time and effort. And now the second application, which is Microsoft Planner, it is a task management tool. So what can we do with Planner? Both managers and employees can create plans, tasks, set deadlines, and also track progress. So with Microsoft Planner and automation, it saves both time, effort, is precise and efficient.
And now, are you a video editor? Yes, even I am. So have you ever heard about Microsoft Clipchamp? It is a video editor, a software where you can edit your videos, you can use stock videos, stock music, and it is a drag and drop feature. You can drag your videos and do the editing. It is a very easy tool to use, and you can export it easily. And now we also have Microsoft SharePoint. Microsoft SharePoint, with that you can organize your documents, your files, and so on within departments, within your team members, and you can collaborate effectively. For example, let's say you're the marketing side, the marketing department, they use Microsoft Clipchamp to save videos and they need to collaborate with other team members in that department. They can use Microsoft SharePoint to upload videos. It is a shared folder, let's say in this way, and every team members can use that shared folder to download, to upload, and it's synchronized everywhere. So that's one department. Now imagine all departments.
So thank you guys for your attention, and if you want more details about Microsoft services, just send us an email on the email address in the description below, and ciao.